As the number of coronavirus cases continues to surge in China, where the outbreak has left hundreds dead, the World Health Organization says the spread currently does not constitute a pandemic, a level the UN agency defines in part as the worldwide spread of a new disease. Instead, it remains an epidemic, a more localized or regional outbreak, with more than 99% of cases in China. And while a global health emergency remains in effect, the WHO's Director General says a relatively small number of cases have been reported in the rest of the world.
No reason to panic or fear. Of course, people can have concerns, and they should. People could be worried, they should. But that concern and worry should be supplemented with action now while we have the window of opportunity.
Still, some experts, like the director of the U.S. National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Disease, quoted in the New York Times, warn it's very, very transmissible, and it almost certainly is going to be a pandemic. But will it be catastrophic? I don't know. At a news conference Tuesday, the WHO addressing rumors surrounding the spread of the virus.
I know that there have been also some information saying that the virus, while spreading, is changing and mutating and so on. But so far we have no evidence of that. It seems quite a stable virus.
Hong Kong reported its first coronavirus death. That's a second outside mainland China, as thousands of Hong Kong medical workers continue to strike, demanding the border with the mainland be shut completely in a bid to stop the spread. The first death reported outside of China was out of the Philippines. At a Japanese port Tuesday, health screenings of more than 3,000 people on a Japanese-operated cruise ship began after a passenger from Hong Kong who was on board last week tested positive for the virus. Evacuations and quarantines continue of foreign nationals who were in Wuhan, the Chinese city where the outbreak started, as Ottawa works to bring Canadians home this week. The UK is urging British nationals to leave China if they can to minimize their risk of exposure to the virus.
And another update from the WHO reporting 27 cases of person-to-person transmission of coronavirus in 9 countries outside of China. For City News, I'm Melissa Duggan.